Amalki is very rich in a variety of different tannins which are considered to be medicinally highly effective, and it's a triad of these acids which are allergic acids and amylin A and amylin B. These are very important tannins which are able to reverse this whole process of aging and reduce this whole process of oxidation. Antioxidants are intelligent molecules which are coming from the kingdom of plant mostly, which reduce and also alter this activity of premature aging. And there are so many subtle things what we are finding now according to modern science, which are available in Amalki, which are just coming to the forefront. So it's a very effective herb to be consumed on a day-to-day basis.
We went to the foothills of the Himalayan mountain range, high in northern India, and some would say that the purest air, water, and soil that we can find anywhere on the planet is in this region. And we knew that we wanted the Amalaki fruit to come from this incredible purity. So we ended up choosing harvesters and farmers from long lines in local communities in northern India, literally a lineage of farmers who held the same principles of environmental sustainability and also economic sustainability as important in their own farming practices. And one of the things that they did was they only used wild-crafted forms of Amalaki. And this word wild-crafted means as something is naturally found in nature. What we found was a reverence actually while picking the Amalaki fruit. People were actually giving thanks to the tree before they did the harvesting, and it seemed like such a wonderful honoring of this ancient culture and an ancient fruit. So we were able to utilize this method of cold pressing the Amalaki fruit. And what this does is it retains the vibratory quality or the inherent nutrition of the Amalaki fruit rather than degrading it through heat or chemicals. And what we also did was ensured that it was vacuum dried using a proprietary method which also retains the nutritional potency of the fruit.
So these synergistic other 6 herbs which are added with Amalaki are going to make it even more bioavailable, and it is going to drive it deeper in the system, especially at a cellular level. If you look at turmeric, it has a natural cleansing effect on the channels, so it is going to create a kind of a channel opening effect in the physiology, and it is going to help to drive the nutrition and absorption even further.
We see turmeric helping everything from circulation to digestive health, to being a potent anti-inflammatory, to literally also helping pain in the body.
One of the biggest benefits of Tulsi, which is considered to be a very spiritual herb, but also an important herb to scrape out the impurities which are remaining from fat tissue and the metabolism of fat tissue itself, and then allows these potent nutrients to be absorbed and will be assimilated in the system better. Haritaki is also a very traditional classical formulation which is being used in Ayurveda mainly for detoxification, cleansing. And in Zri, Amalaki as well as Haritaki combined together, you are getting rejuvenation and detoxification at the same time. If you look at ginger, ginger has a tremendous digestive effect. So it is going to enhance the absorption, and the nourishment of these things is going to penetrate and go deeper in the system rather easily.
Schisandra has this amazing ability to make anything that works on the nervous system more effective and to decrease side effects and toxicity.
Schisandra is an excellent herb which is regulating the nervous system, because you need to regulate and create a tranquil effect and bestow the clarity and a good restful system.
And jujube is great as an immune system booster, and it's also somewhat of a nervine, so it calms the nervous system.
Some people will have improvement in their neurocognitive functioning, how clearly they think or process information, concentration. Some people will have improvement in their cardiovascular status and their high blood pressure. Some people will have improvement of digestive function or their ability of their body to detoxify, improved hair luster, improved skin luster, improved lubrication of the joints or the respiratory tract. So we have an actual enhancement of immunity. My goodness, We not only can use something that will address in a very, very simple way chronic disease illnesses, but invigorate metabolism, increase our vitality, and actually take us to a point of greater immunity, greater longevity, and greater inner beauty.
It is going to improve your ability to assimilate the food better. It is going to help your body to make rightful choices, and it's going to relax your mind.
So it's one thing to invent a nutritive beverage that activates and causes profound physiologic shifts. It's something else to invent something that tastes good. We were clearly given both of these challenges in producing this product. I think you will find that through the consumption, through the tasting of ZRI, that it's going to lead you to a very, very subtle and deep sense of harmony with the natural environment.
There's nothing more important than physical, mental, social, spiritual well-being. And now we're looking at health as wholeness. You know, the word health and the word holy is the same word. It means that you can't be healthy unless you live in a healthy environment, you have healthy relationships, healthy emotions, of course a healthy body, but you can't have a healthy body unless you're inclusive of everything.
The cellular fires which it triggers, which makes the body or which enables the body to extract and assimilate the information even better and even more potent, is the vital component of ZRI. All of these herbs which are combined together, turmeric or ginger or tulsi, haritaki, schizandra, jujube, amalaki combined together, when it goes in the body, after its absorption and penetration, it opens the channels and pathways in the body. You are going to create a lot of attraction of positive energy in your life. That's the meaning of ZRI, that you are going to attract better choices, better relationship, abundance in all areas of your life.
For us, we view ZRI as an invitation for people to go deeper into their own self-healing. We can literally begin to unlock this inner pharmacy that is within all of us and begin to do things by utilizing this ancient wisdom to improve our health on a daily basis.
What ZRI really means, it brings prosperity, abundance, wealth, and fulfillment in all areas of your life.